Dreaming of becoming doctors, study MBBS at NMC and WHO recognized universities in Bangladesh, Nepal, Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan and Timor-Leste at a fraction of the cost in India. From admissions and visas to education loans, Good Shepherd handles it all. Visit Good Shepherd Shillong today.
Uba Metbah lingdo MLA ka Mairang ubaderu President ka United Democratic Party ulapan pau ba Jingkylli ay Halor ki khubor baki MLA ka party ki thumu ban Phet piniso sa Bharatiya Janata Party BJP habo Jubab ki Jingkylli na gila pathai khubor ha khatkanai trek naila raja punriu Uba Metbah ulakali kala bade manu kita ki MLA berbakin sungba ban ai ki Kyrteng jungki Kani kecikmi lenti bagi MLA ke UDP kin lech ke BJP kadai nak cingwani kendu prangut ke MLA ke parti u Amit Shah Menteri Kampoi yang ke Sarkar India Dangshan Delhi hak jingelamu ba lakmen remboi MLA ke Amlarem Uba Metbah laong bau ba lakmen ula batai bini abin pabin sikila batai khubor bagi cingekran bau Amit Shah kadai halak Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill arja pun riau nalor kiwi pat kiman
So there are reports that a group of UDP MLAs, a major chunk of UDP MLAs are planning to march with BJP. How are you planning to
No idea about that. I think I would like to ask from you, who are they?
Sir,
Please name, then I will clarify.
Sir, since you are not saying this, so how...
No, why will I say which? I don't know anything about it. You cannot just ask me to say anything.
Sir, is it true that these MLAs went to Delhi not only for FRCA but all FCRA but also for talks with BJP?
You must have seen the press statement shared by Lakman Rumpuy in details. I think that suffices the queries raised by you. So it is purely, first of all, the most important thing is he has raised the issue of the FCRA. Okay? And since they have met the Honorable Home Minister in Delhi, he took advantage, along with the group, took advantage and shared other concerns also which are related to the entire state.
So has he submitted memorandum, sir?
So you can ask from him.
So your party...
He has met them, he met him personally. From the party we have already said.
So,
we have already said.
Yeah, but
so that is what he has said.
The photo
okay?
the photo that surfaced shows that 8 UDP MLAs have submitted memorandum, sir. Any separate memorandum?
See, physically he has gone there and they have discussed in person. That is the most important thing. That is the most important thing. So we have addressed those concerns about, what the state as a whole are facing. Some section of society, some section of people.
Habatin, Metbah ki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashap plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi panai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya